How to fix Snapchat video call problem. If you're not being able to video call within Snapchat, the first thing that you need to ensure is that you have a stable internet connection. You can also try switching between different networks and try to see if that was the case with you. If this is not the case, then what you'll also need to ensure is that the camera option is enabled for Snapchat. So just tap and hold the app of Snapchat, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of this settings page, head over to permissions and make sure that camera is selected to allow. Apart from this, and if this is not the issue with you, the other thing that you can do is try to clear the app cache. So just quickly head back to the same settings page. And right here, you'll see the option called storage. You can just tap on storage and then tap on clear cache. What you can also do is tap on the clear data option and then tap on delete. This will log you out of your account and you'll again need to log in back by adding in your credentials. Lastly, what you can also ensure is that if you are not receiving any voice calls, make sure that the do not disturb mode is not enabled on your phone. So by following these few steps, you should be able to fix the Snapchat video call issue. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. That's gotta be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.